that targets fat cells and shrinks them. It has immediate results, and there's no surgery, no downtime, and no pain. It's an alternative to traditional liposuction, and the laser I'm talking about is called iLipo.
Yeah, Andrea Salter is an esthetician and iLipo specialist. She has also used the procedure herself and joins us now to talk about her results. Along with her is Dr. Stacy Kaiser. She's here from a Younger You Medical Spa with details on how exactly it works. Nice to have you guys.
And you're skinnier than last time you were here.
I know, you've lost more weight since you were last here, but we have looked at your iLipo results before, because that before and after picture is you.
Yeah.
I mean, what do you say to people? I mean, how many inches did you lose, and how did it change the size pants that you wear?
It was
That's
life-changing for
amazing.
me. I went from a real tight 14 down to an 8. I lost almost 15 inches, and since I've stopped the procedure, I've lost an additional 13 pounds, not changing anything I was doing prior.
Unbelievable.
What?
You have 3 children,
I
is
do.
it? 3 children. A lot of people who see the before part of your picture kind of get that when they look in the mirror. It's kind of a bummer. Why did you do it? For yourself, for someone else, to look good in a bikini?
I was a skeptic.
Were you?
Yep. I had to prove it to myself, and it worked, so...
Yeah, so you actually someone used the iLipo on you. So this
Correct.
procedure that you do with other people is something you've actually done yourself.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And what was the process like? If somebody's interested in iLipo, how does it work, and how long does it take to see the kind of results that we're showing on you?
So for Andrea, she did it for 3 weeks. She did 3 sessions the first week, 3 the next week, and 2 the last week. So that was the changes in the pictures that you see there over a 3-week period.
Unbelievable. Are those results typical?
We have about 10 out of 10 people like it. I mean, it's nice. It's nice to do a procedure that people come in, they have it done, they leave happy, they love it, and a lot of times the results are immediate. So we will take measurements before, and then we do the procedure, which takes 20 minutes. We'll take measurements after, and they can see a difference already.
Does it hurt? I mean, how does it work?
No pain at all. It's a wavelength that hits the cell of a fat cell. It hits the outer membrane of it, and it changes the permeability, so it releases all of the triglycerides in the cell. It actually shrinks the cell, making it smaller.
Well, I think a lot of people hear any sort of procedure and they worry, is it safe? Is it going to damage good cells? So what's kind of the safety level of this?
This is the safest procedure that we do. There's no pain to it. It's easy to perform. It feels a little bit warm, not even like a heating pad warm, a little bit less warm than a heating pad. And that's it. There's no side effects from it. There's no downtime. There's no pain. It's easy.
How long will the results last?
As long as you want them to. It would be just like you exercised that weight off. So if you exercised for a year and you lost, 3 inches, it's gone as long as you keep it off.
I love the fact that you said if you exercise for a year and lose 3 inches. Yeah, I think a lot of us can relate to that. You work out, you do all these things, you're trying to eat right, but sometimes it just doesn't really help. So the fact that, you did this and it has worked for you, it's continued to work, I think is going to sound really exciting to a lot of people, because you try so hard, and sometimes it just doesn't work. When people are seeing your pictures, obviously we saw the midsection there. What are other common areas that you can treat for unwanted fat?
I see a lot of people do their thighs. It seems that's the area that's hard when you're exercising to kind of lose weight or spot treat or spot firm up. So we can do the thigh area. We can do, obviously, the most popular is the stomach area. We've also done some chins. We can do like around knees. We can do around arms. We've got really small laser transducers that can go about anywhere on your body.
Okay.
So,
How do you feel different, Andrea?
I feel amazing. I really do. I worked so hard for so long to get that weight off, and I couldn't get it off. I had a closet full of clothes that I couldn't wear anymore, and now I can wear them all. So. It feels great, and it feels great being able to tell my story and help other people as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, I bet it's a very rewarding thing to see women so happy, with the way that they look. I know you've got this great, wonderful offer that you're giving right now. You've got a pumpkin peptide peel for $59. It's usually $89. It's a great special going on right now. And for Morning Blend viewers only, if you say that you saw them here on the Morning Blend, iLipo treatments are 8 treatments for $7.99. Normally, they're $1,600. So keep that in mind. A Younger You spa can be found at ayounger21.com. They do free consultations. The locations were on your screen there just a second ago. It's Burlington,